Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Machota, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to use ImageQuest to embed images or primary source documents into your projects. I'm going to come up once I open up a Google window into Manage Bookmarks. I'm going to click on Student Favorites. I'm going to come down and open my Clever app. When I'm in Clever, I'm going to go to Britannica Online ImageQuest. I'm just going to click. It's going to open in a new window for me. And I'm currently working on my Unit 11 summative project. And I wrote my paragraph already for slide 3, but I want to include a picture of the Star of David that King Christian might have worn on his uniform. So I'm coming to Britannica ImageQuest, and this is a safe search for me to use. I'm going to type in yellow Star of David. I'm going to hit enter. Just going to wait for the site to load. Here's the picture that I want to use. This Star of David. The best part about this ImageQuest is this thing right here that says Cite. I'm going to click on it, and let me scroll down so you can see it a little bit better. I can cite the citation style that I'm using in class. So I know in English class we use MLA, and science class we use APA. I know my daughter at university uses Chicago style. I'm going to click on that. It gives me my citation right here. All I need to do is to highlight it. I hit Control C for copy. I'm going to open up and come down to slide 8 of my works cited. I'm coming back. Star of David begins with an S. Let me see where I am alphabetically. So it's going to definitely come after Janice Korzak. I'm going to do Control V. Notice that my font is off. I'm here at Arial 9 and I need to be at Arial 12. So I'm just going to backspace this. And then I'm going to highlight it and change it to 12 where it needs to be, so that all my font is the same. That looks awesome. Now I need to insert my picture. I'm going to come back to slide 3, but I'm going to minimize my screen and I'm going to split the screen, because watch how cool this is. I can do a drop and a drag. So here's the image I want to use. I'm going to just pull it over into my Google Doc. It's creating the image. How cool is that? And I can resize it. Remember, when I resize images, I only want to grab them from the corner so that I don't distort the image. So I place the image there. It's that easy, you guys. Here's another image I want. Here I want an actual picture of King Christian. So I'm going to come back into ImageQuest. I'm just going to maximize the screen. I'm going to type in King Christian, and he was the 10th. I'm going to do a search and look for a picture. Ooh, I like this picture right here. He looks very dapper. I'm going to go to my citation because I want to cite this image. I click Cite. It's on MLA. It's already done for me. I'm going to highlight it. Control C. I'm paying attention because notice that it begins with a C here. So I'm coming back into slide 8. A, D, C would come in there. I'm going to go Control V for a paste. Once again, it did the same thing. It's the wrong size. I'm just going to hit backspace. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to change 9 to 12. I'm going to make sure A, B, C, D, D, F, G, H, I, J, S. Oops, this looks like it's off a little. Hit backspace. There I go. And now I just need to insert the image. I'm going to make this screen smaller. I'm going to do a drop and a drag. Notice that Google is creating that image for me. I need to resize it so it's not so grand. I just pull from the top corner. And it's that easy, ladies and gentlemen, to drop and insert images from Britannica ImageQuest. If you have any questions, talk to me in class, but hopefully this video helped you. And remember, if your illustrations and your primary source documents are not cited on the Works Cited page, they will not count for you. So you must have those citations to match the images. Have a great night, you guys. Bye-bye.